Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced
ejaculation.
Let's break it down.
This word is often stretched or rushed, but the correct way is ejaculation. Start with the soft I, then jock, add y, flow into lay, and end with shun. Together, ejaculation. Now let's master it together. Say it 3 times with me. Ejaculation. 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 Smooth, right? If you nailed it all 3 times, you just pronounced it more confidently than most people ever try.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Ejaculation. Ejaculation. Ejaculation.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.